Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to merge at least two or three multiple documents into a single one in Microsoft Word without any sweat. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and open up your MS Word. After you open up your MS Word, come to the top right here. Go ahead and navigate to the Insert tab right here. And then get into Insert tab. Next thing you want to do is to text right here. And the next thing you want to do is to come to object right here. Go ahead and click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on text from file. Click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select the document and merge. Like for instance, I want to go ahead and merge about two different or three different documents right there. So select this. And I'll come back and select it. You can easily press Ctrl key down and select the second one. And then we'll come down below right here. We want to make sure we click on insert right here. Just like so, we have two documents being successfully insert and merge all together. Just like so. It's that simple. You can use this to combine as many as possible documents in MS Word without affecting the format and the text of the document. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right there. Go ahead and click on File, then go ahead and click on Save As, and then you want to make sure you right destination. Go ahead and click on Browse right here, and then you want to make sure you save to desktop, and then you want to make sure you look for your file, your documents, and then go ahead and be on Save right here. Video is that simple. More useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Microsoft. Please consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you.